Welcome. Today, we're diving into a fun and engaging way to interact on Instagram, commenting with GIFs. Whether you want to express your emotions or add a dash of humor to your comments, using GIFs is a great way to spice things up. So, let's get started with the updated steps on how to comment with a GIF on Instagram using your Android device. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can seamlessly browse through the latest posts. Next, find the post where you want to comment. This could be a friend's latest vacation photo, a funny meme, or anything that catches your eye. Once you find the post, look for the comment icon located just under it. It typically looks like a speech bubble. Tap on it to start crafting your comment. Now, at the bottom right of your screen, you'll see a stickers icon. Give that a tap. It's where all the fun begins. Next, you'll want to select the GIF option. This will open up a whole world of animated expressions and reactions for you to choose from. Finally, scroll through the selection or use the search bar to find the perfect GIF that fits your mood or comment. Once you find the GIF you want, simply tap on it to insert it into the comment box, and there you go. Just hit send, and your GIF comment is live for everyone to see. Now, you can add a touch of creativity and personality to your interactions on Instagram. Happy commenting.